welcome back to my channel. My name is Dina. If you're new, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. On this episode, I'm going to show you guys how I keep my teeth so white and so bright. I just figured with the new year, winding down, and we're going to enter in 2021. This year has been so crazy for so many people. I know there's just been so many ups and downs. So why not rein in the new year with a new smile? So if you're interested on seeing how you can get a dentist achieved white look at home, then stay tuned. So one of my most frequently asked questions is how I keep my teeth so white and so bright. And especially right now, I know a lot of dentists are closing down, Hopefully this is going to be the last shutdown. I know this is so challenging and so difficult, but that's why I'm here to show you guys how to keep your teeth super white and super bright. So you're only going to need a few tools, and they're also very inexpensive. I'm also going to link them for you down below, so that way you guys can purchase them and you guys can do the same exact thing at home. Now I'm going to start off with these two items right over here. So you're going to have a little mirror, and then there's also this little toothpick. So you want to make sure that your teeth are fully clean before you start with the bleaching process, just so that way the bleach adheres to all of your teeth. Now if your teeth are dirty, like I said, you're just not going to get an even bleach. So you want to make sure everything is super clean. So go ahead and brush your teeth, floss your teeth, and then once you're done with that, you're going to get in with this little mirror against your mirror, and then just really clean the teeth and make sure each and every single one is perfectly clean. Now, once your teeth are perfectly clean, I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite things that really does keep your teeth super white and super bright, not only instantly, but for a long period of time. Now, often you'll see Crest white strips or any type of teeth whitening strips. These are key. These are super essential. Now, you don't have to spend a fortune and go out there and buy the name brand. I know there's a lot of them out there. Crest white strips has some, and then Colgate has their own brand, which can range from $40 to $80. So these are just generic brand. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and link them for you down below, and you don't have to spend a fortune. These were only, I believe, like $14 to $15 for a pack of, I believe, 10. I'll go ahead and do the accurate price for you down below. But like I said, super inexpensive, generic, so you don't have to get the name brand. Now, you don't want to just stick these on your teeth. They're not going to adhere properly. So this is what's going to make them super white. So you want to go in with a tissue and really dry off your teeth. So go in there, each and every single tooth, really make sure it's dry. So start off with the top layer. So you don't want to dry off the top and then dry off the bottom, because you'll get saliva on them. So dry off the top completely. Once you're done drying off the top, then you're going to peel this off, stick it onto your teeth. And then same thing, once you're done with the top, you're going to go on to the bottom. You're going to dry off your teeth completely, and then you're going to take this strip right over here and you're going to place it on your bottom teeth. Now that's not all, because if you just rely on these, they could make your teeth very sensitive, because they will over time ruin your enamel. So what I like to do is I actually like to incorporate a device along with the Crest white strips. So this device is really cool. It's from a brand called Express Smile Atlanta. So it does not come with batteries, unfortunately, and the batteries look like this. They're like little discs. So you want to place the batteries, the negative side facing downward, and then you're going to take the lid, super easy, you guys, and then you're going to close the device. And this is what keeps my teeth so white and so bright. And I'm telling you guys, this is my secret right over here. So it's this little UV light that is specifically made for teeth bleaching. And this is exactly what they use at the dentist office. So if you're looking for something that is affordable, practical, and like I said, you're going to get those salon results at home, this is going to be your best friend right over here. Super, super inexpensive. I believe I paid less than like $20 for this, and I've had it for over a year. So like I said, it doesn't break. You don't need to charge it. Just simply change out the batteries whenever the batteries die. So that way you can have white teeth all year round. So do your Crest white strips. Place this on top. Don't just use these. They will make your teeth more sensitive. They will wear down your enamel over time. So this overall is just more practical and a lot more safe for your teeth. Alright, you guys, if you have any questions on how to do anything beauty related, skincare related, I know going into the winter time, our skin can also be more problematic, so I'm going to do a little skincare must-haves for the winter video for you guys. And thank you guys so much for tuning in with me. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment me down below. I do answer every single one of your comments, so if you guys have any comments, any questions, if you guys want to see any videos, feel free to leave me any recommendations. But as for now, take care, and I can't wait to see you on the next one. Alright, take care. Bye.